Hey, Hiccup girl. What you doing? What? Quit playing with my candles.
Tweetle.
Hey, this house stinks. Why does it stink? No, that's hers. Give it back. Thank you. Yours is up there. You know why it stinks? Because you pooped and you pooped. And they both made me gag. Now the house stinks. Come on, let's spray the house. Oh my gosh, there's toys everywhere. Oh, it smells better already. I'm gonna spray you. I'm gonna spray you. I'm gonna spray you. I'm gonna spray you. I think I got your cup. Hang on. No, I didn't. I got you. Where did I get you? Oh, there. Couldn't figure out where you were wet. I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. Are you hiding behind Amelia?
Mama.
Does it smell good? Does it smell good? It's raining. Alright, let's go spray in here because this is where y'all were. Stinky, stinky, stinky. Stinky, stinky. Oh, Diva hates when I spray this stuff. Just please don't spray me, Mom. Please don't spray me, Mom. I promise I won't roll in anything stinky. Let's see, is it raining yet? Oh, it's getting very dark. Hi, Mr. Carr. It's getting very, very dark. We got some bad, bad weather coming. I need to go get the mail before the rain. Before the rain comes down.